What is Agile? In this session, I will be sharing what Agile is all about. We would briefly talk about who an Agilist is. You would also understand why organizations are in need of Agilists, be it a Scrum Master, a Product Owner, an Agile Delivery Manager, a Release Trained Engineer, a Change Manager, and so on. So, what is Agile? Literally, Agile is being able to move quickly and easily. In project management, Agile is an approach that emphasizes flexibility and collaboration at getting project developed while keeping the customer at the center of development, thus developing what the customer wants. The Agile approach is based on the Agile Manifesto, a set of guiding values and principles for Agile software development. At its core, Agile is a response to the limitations of traditional project management and software development approaches, which often relied on extensive planning and documentation upfront, with little room for changes or flexibility. Agile, on the other hand, emphasizes iterative and incremental development, with regular feedback and collaboration among team members and stakeholders. Some of the key features of Agile methodology include: 1. Iterative and incremental development. Instead of trying to complete the entire project in one go, Agile breaks the project into smaller, more manageable chunks called sprints. 2. Continuous feedback and improvement. Agile relies on feedback from stakeholders and customers to continuously improve the project. 3. Cross-functional teams. Agile teams consist of members with diverse skills and backgrounds who work collaboratively to achieve the project goals. 4. Flexible and adaptable. Agile allows for changes to be made to the project scope, schedule, and requirements as needed based on feedback and changing circumstances. 5. Customer-focused. Agile prioritizes customer satisfaction and aims to deliver value to the customer as quickly and efficiently as possible. Overall, the Agile approach is designed to be more responsive to change and better able to meet the needs of the customer, while also fostering a more collaborative and dynamic work environment. Let us now expand more on the points mentioned above. Agile methodology is a response to the limitations of traditional project management approaches, which often rely on extensive upfront planning and documentation, with little room for changes or flexibility. The Agile approach, on the other hand, emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and customer satisfaction. Agile is a software development methodology that values iterative and incremental development. Rather than trying to plan out every aspect of a project upfront, Agile focuses on delivering working software quickly and responding to feedback to improve the product over time. One of the key principles of Agile methodology is iterative and incremental development. Instead of trying to complete the entire project in one go, Agile breaks the project into smaller, more manageable chunks called sprints. Each sprint typically lasts 1 to 4 weeks and focuses on delivering a specific set of goals or user stories. At the beginning of each sprint, the team reviews the project backlog, a prioritized list of user stories, features, and bugs. Based on the priorities of the backlog, the team selects a set of items to work on during the sprint. Continuous feedback and improvement is another important aspect of Agile methodology. Agile teams rely on regular feedback from stakeholders and customers to continuously improve the project. This feedback is incorporated into the development process and used to make changes and improvements to the product, rather than trying to predict every possible requirement and detail at the beginning of a project. Agile teams embrace change and are able to adjust their plans and priorities as needed. This allows the team to be more responsive to feedback and changing business needs, and to deliver a product that better meets the needs of the customer. Another advantage of Agile is its emphasis on collaboration and communication. Agile teams work closely together, with team members from different disciplines working together to deliver the product. This promotes a sense of shared ownership and accountability and allows the team to leverage the strengths and expertise of each team member. Overall, Agile is a flexible and adaptable approach to software development that values customer satisfaction, collaboration, and responsiveness. By focusing on delivering working software quickly and incorporating feedback from stakeholders, Agile teams are able to create high-quality products that better meet the needs of the customer. Who is an Agilist? An Agilist is a person that understands, applies, and is a proponent of Agile principles to solve problems. An Agilist is a person who subscribes to the Agile philosophy and methodology. An Agilist is someone who is committed to the values and principles of Agile and who strives to apply them to their work. Agilists can be found in a variety of roles, including an Agile project manager, a Scrum Master, a product owner, an Agile delivery manager, and more. They are typically part of Agile teams, which are cross-functional groups of individuals who work collaboratively to deliver value to the customer. Agilists are characterized by their flexibility, adaptability, and commitment to continuous improvement. They are open to change and willing to experiment with new ideas and approaches. They prioritize communication, collaboration, and customer satisfaction, and they strive to create an environment that fosters creativity, innovation, and learning. Agilists are characterized by several key traits and behaviors. 1. Flexibility. Agilists are willing to adapt to changing circumstances and requirements. They understand that change is inevitable and that their approach to work must be flexible and adaptable. 2. Collaborative. Agilists prioritize collaboration and teamwork. They understand that the best results come from working together and that everyone on the team has a valuable contribution to make. 3. Customer focused. Agilists are committed to delivering value to the customer. They understand that the customer's needs and feedback are essential to the success of the project, and they work to incorporate customer feedback into their work. 4. Continuous improvement. Agilists believe in the importance of continuous improvement. They regularly reflect on their work and processes, seeking out ways to improve and enhance their performance. 5. Embracing change. Agilists understand that change is a natural part of the development process, and they are open to new ideas and approaches. They are willing to experiment and try out new things, even if they are outside their comfort zone. 6. Empathy. Agilists practice empathy and seek to understand the perspectives and needs of others. In summary, an Agilist is someone who is dedicated to the Agile philosophy and methodology and who works to apply its principles and practices to their work. Why organizations need Agilists? Organizations need Agilists because they bring a set of skills and knowledge that are essential for successful Agile projects. Here are some reasons why organizations need Agilists. 1. Implementing Agile methodology. Agile methodology is becoming increasingly popular in many industries, particularly in software development. However, implementing Agile requires a significant shift in culture and mindset. Agilists have the knowledge and experience to help organizations navigate this shift and ensure that Agile is implemented effectively. Agile methodology is not just a process or a set of practices. It is a mindset and a way of thinking that requires a significant shift in culture. It can be challenging for organizations to implement Agile effectively without the help of experienced Agilists who have a deep understanding of Agile principles and practices. Agilists can help organizations to understand the value of Agile and provide guidance on how to implement it in a way that is tailored to their specific needs. 2. Facilitating collaboration. Agile methodology places a strong emphasis on collaboration and communication. Agilists are skilled at facilitating collaboration within Agile teams and between teams and stakeholders. Collaboration is at the heart of Agile methodology. Agilists are skilled at facilitating collaboration within Agile teams, helping team members to work together effectively and build trust. They can also facilitate collaboration between teams and with external stakeholders, ensuring that everyone is aligned and working towards the same goals. 3. Managing complexity. Many projects today are becoming increasingly complex, with multiple stakeholders, changing requirements, and tight deadlines. Agilists have the skills and knowledge to manage this complexity, helping teams to stay focused on delivering value to the customer. They can help to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable pieces and work with teams to develop strategies for addressing them. 4. Responding to change. Agile methodology is designed to be flexible and adaptable, allowing teams to respond to changing requirements and circumstances. Agilists can help teams to embrace change and use it to their advantage, rather than seeing it as a hindrance. One of the key advantages of Agile methodology is its flexibility. and adaptability. They can help teams to respond quickly to changing requirements or circumstances and adjust their approach as needed. 5. Continuous improvement. Agile methodology places a strong emphasis on continuous improvement. Agilists can help teams to identify areas for improvement and implement changes that will lead to better outcomes. Agile methodology places a strong emphasis on continuous improvement. They can also help teams to establish processes for gathering feedback and using it to inform future iterations. In summary, organizations need Agilists because they bring the skills and knowledge necessary to successfully implement Agile methodology, facilitate collaboration, manage complexity, respond to change, and drive continuous improvement. Agilists play a critical role in helping organizations to deliver high-quality work and meet the evolving needs of their customers. Agilists also play very important roles in helping organizations to successfully implement Agile methodology. By leveraging the skills and knowledge of Agilists, organizations can improve their ability to deliver high-quality work and meet the evolving needs of their customers. Questions. 1. What could you say about Agile in project development? 2. Could you describe who an Agilist is? 3. Could you give some traits or behaviors of Agilists? 4. What are the roles of an Agilist in an organization? 5. Why do you think organizations need Agilists?